Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the TikTok app is updated and you are logged into the exact account that needs repair. Next, open Inbox and tap Messages so you can see unread, flagged, or blocked senders. This context matters. Once done, make sure two-step authentication is accessible because account security can hide or restrict message features. Now proceed to the first actionable step. Check chat threads, note missing messages, and capture screenshots for reference before you change any settings. You now address visibility. Tap Settings right arrow Privacy and confirm messages set to the widest allowed option, everyone or friends, because restrictive settings hide incoming chats. Then, review blocked users and the spam or filtered folders. Recovering messages often means unblocking. After that, reset app permissions for notifications, contacts, and storage so messages can sync and attachments appear. Once those are set, force close and reopen the app to let TikTok reindex messages. You finish by forcing a sync. Clear app cache, log out, then sign back in. This triggers message re-download. If messages remain missing, use Settings right arrow Report a problem and include screenshots, timestamps, and affected usernames to expedite review. Also try the TikTok web version to determine if the issue is device-specific. If messages appear there, focus on local app data. If nothing changes, be patient. TikTok support needs time to reconcile server-side data, but always keep your screenshots and timestamps handy for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.